While we have different views about lots of things, about trade, about politics, about economics, we are on the same small planet. And we are facing some extraordinarily critical challenges. When people have a deep education, they have language and culture, and they've actually experienced another society, they have a more sophisticated view of what that country is about. We must find ways to work together, as we say at Dickinson, for the common good. That is our model, a useful education for the common good. And I know there are young people in China, just as there are young people in the US, who see the world that way, who want to work to make sure that we find those points of agreement and that we work together to solve them. And it's easier and it's essential if we understand each other.